Hi, well, here we are at the end of the week, and I hope it's gone well for you and you're starting to figure out how the course works and how to find information and post information that you need. This video is just going to briefly review each of the assignments that you should have completed by the end of the week and provide tips and instructions on how to find the assignments and how to post them. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me or contact me on WeChat, and I can give you further information. All right, today, which would be for you Saturday, for me Friday, you should have already by now posted your Carmen profile picture. You should have done readings 1 and 2 by Mosher and Oberly. You should have watched all 6 videos about introducing the course, creating your own introductory video, responding to the readings, participating in the discussion board, getting started with u.osu.edu, and choosing and using images. I've received most of your introductory videos, so we're doing well there. You should also be finishing up your discussion board post. I want to remind you that your discussion group partner cannot receive a grade for this assignment until they've had the opportunity to respond to your own post. So make sure that you're doing that in a timely manner so they can complete the assignment. You also want to be working on and by Sunday night have submitted your personal profile draft. And as I said, responding to your peer, your discussion board peer. And also by the end of this week, you should have set up your u.osu.edu site so that you can submit your final personal profile draft to that site. Okay, so what follows is a series of instructions on how to complete each assignment or how to submit the information that you need to submit. One thing I do want to note is that part of the introductory video assignment is to respond to your peers' videos. So at the end of the video, you'll find instructions about how to post that video to your u.osu.edu page so that your students, your fellow students can respond to that. Go to your Carmen page and you'll see on the left-hand column a dashboard, and open account, go to profile, and if you hover over the profile icon, you'll see a pencil here. This is how you enter or change a picture. And then you can upload a picture from your computer or take a picture using the camera on your computer. And then you will click Save. To find discussions, go ahead and click on this link to discussions. And you'll see here discussions, discussion board 1. Sorry, discussion board post 1. And read the questions. And to post, click reply. Remember, this assignment has 2 parts. First, to respond to the reading yourself, and then second, to respond to your discussion group partner's response. Personal profile assignment has already been explained in the first introductory video, but just as a reminder of where to find the instructions, you'll need to look under modules, and if you go down to week 1, you'll find the personal profile assignment. Just a reminder, this assignment involves 3 stages. First, a draft that you'll submit to me. Second, I'll give you feedback, and then you take that feedback and make any additions, edits, revisions that you need to make, and then submit to your personal profile page on u.osu.edu. And then you need to visit and comment on at least 3 other students' profiles. Just a reminder of some of the basics of the assignment. You need to have 3 paragraphs, each about 200 to 300 words, where you talk about your personal background, where you've been, your family. The second paragraph should focus on, your educational history and experiences, and then your third paragraph should focus on Ohio State University, why you chose it, and what you plan to study. Also remember that you need to include images for each paragraph of this assignment. And if you're curious about what this should look like, you can find an example under my u.osu.edu page, which you can find at the bottom of the Carmen homepage, a link to it, and you'll see the personal profile. So in order to do this, you'll need to go to your u.osu.edu page and your dashboard. And in your dashboard, you're going to go down and find your pages. If you haven't created a page, you're going to need to do Add New. If you already have, go to All Pages, and you'll find the page that you want to put it on. In this case, I'm going to put it under my personal profile, and I'm going to click on Edit. Now, you won't have written your written post yet and haven't submitted it or put it on the page. That's okay. In your case, you'll just put it anywhere within the box. In my case, I've already put a post in. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom here. And to put the post in, I'm going to put Add Media. And here's a gallery library, but I need to do an embed code. So I'm going to click on the embed code. Now I'm going to go to my Youku page where I've posted the video, and I'm going to come down here, and underneath the video where it says share, I'm going to have a drop-down box here, and I need to use the HTML code here. So this is the code that I'm going to use to embed it within my u.osu.edu page. Okay, so now I go back to my page, and in this box I'm going to copy and paste that in, and I'm going to click Insert into Post. Now this is where the video will be contained, and I need to update my post. Okay. Once I've done that, I can now go and view the page and see the video posted within my page. And in this box is where the video will go. So you can either watch the video within embedded within the page, or you can click on it and it should take you out to view it in Youku. Okay, so that's about it. Again, like I said, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me or to contact me through WeChat, and I'll answer any questions that you have. Otherwise, have a nice weekend, and look here Monday to find a new video reviewing Week 2 assignments.